Manufacturing is a very specific area and a specific industry when we talk about logistic. Why? Because when you are preparing kits or orders for manufacturing, you are not shipping items to an end customer or to a shop. What you are doing is that you are sending your items to your own company in order to assemble them, and you need to respect very high level of quality and processes in order to be on time and to respect the requirements from the factory. What is very important in logistics is the coordination between your warehouse and the manufacturing line. If you want to go to automation as a pure player of manufacturing, and also you want to be sure that you will be able to smooth as much as you can the activity during the day. To do so, it can be important for you to have the possibility to buffer the kits that you have already prepared earlier in the morning. You will be able to buffer the finished kits, and when you will need those finished kits on the manufacturing line, you will retrieve them very easily. If you are a manufacturing company and you are looking for logistic automation, I think Exotec will be the best solution that you can find. You will mix high performances, high reliability, and high level of services through the quality processes that you can implement with a solution.